Hello viewers, welcome to EQ International Magazine, India's oldest and leading solar media. And today we have Mr. Bharat Singh with us from Deye. A very warm welcome to EQ, sir.
Hello.
Sir, can you just let us know about Deye, like how it came into the solar industry exactly, and it's been how much time you're in the solar industry itself?
Yeah. So Deye inverters and batteries. So these are the two companies what like Deye Group has. We started our inverter R&D business from 2007 in China, and in Indian market like we first supplied in 2018, not as like a Deye brand, but to understand the market, to study the market conditions. Like we supplied in white labeling or the OEMs for the Indian brands. We studied for 3 years, and then like we launched our Deye inverter with a hybrid inverter first, and then we saw the like market is still not mature for hybrid inverter. Then we got our on-grid inverter for the subsidy programs. Later, seeing the hybrid inverters advantages, people accepted and got this particular technology of hybrid inverter. With hybrid inverter, we also got our lithium batteries, which are compatible and easy working, smooth working. Apart from that, like we have our micro inverters, micro hybrid inverters, and also C&I utility solutions for the energy storage.
If we talk about this REI 2025, so what are your product offerings and what our viewers can look upon?
So REI 2025 gives like lot of challenges to not only for the manufacturers to showcase this product, but also it gives like a lot of advantages to people to come and accept the technology, understand about it. So 2025 REI, like we have showcasing our on-grid inverters, mainly the new version of single phase for the PM Suryaghar Yojana. Apart from that, like as usual, what we have our premium product hybrid inverters with our lithium batteries. Apart from that, we have very good innovative product which can replace the diesel generator, name as like a green generator product, C&I ESS solution, which is like highlighting and like we will be showcasing in our upcoming events also.
Okay, that's great. And if you like, would you like to share any future plans of yours for 2026? Like if it in terms of products, in terms of technology, any export plans or something like that?
Yeah. So 2026 will be a fruitful year for Deye in India. The reason is rooftop market, especially in the commercial and segment, is growing for the energy storage. The reason is all the consumers or like commercial and industrial application consumers want to export their product to the European countries and US countries, and those end users ask for the energy storage in their particular factory. So what happens is like we have that particular product coming up into the Indian market, like C&I for the commercial, for the industrial, and also for the utility, which is asking for 2 hours or 4 hours backup.
That's great. And like if we talk about the Indian solar market, so how competitive you find it? Like as you know, the Indian solar market is booming day by day,
Yes.
and it is the most fastest growing industry right now.
So Deye has like very good market share for the residential rooftop, let it be in string or hybrid. In string residential rooftop, like we have 50 to 60% market share, and in hybrid energy storage, like we have 80% market share. For the next year, like we are seeing like that growth will be like 1.5 times, and we are getting lot many innovative products such as like EV chargers, not only for residential, even for the commercial segment.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot for sharing the information. Thanks for being with us.
Thank you.